హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, ఎలా ఉన్నారు అందరూ? ఈరోజు నేను కొత్త కాన్సెప్ట్తో వచ్చేసాను. ఈసారి ఏంటంటే మీషోలో ప్యాకింగ్ అనేది ఎలాగా, నాట్ ఓన్లీ మీషోలో ఎగ్జాంపుల్గా మీషో తీసుకున్నాను. ప్యాకింగ్ ఎలా చేయాలి, హౌ ద ప్రాసెస్ విల్ బి టేకింగ్ ఆఫ్, అండ్ హౌ ద ఎంటైర్ ప్రొసీజర్ ప్రాసెస్, and how we have to buy the materials, and what kind of materials we have to buy. Total information is given in the video, and in this video I have taken this. Firstly, I have downloaded the label from the Meesho suppliers panel, and after that take the Xerox of that label, download it, and fold up to here. See, the barcode should be in the front mode, and the invoice should be in the inner mode. So fold the paper, fold the Xerox copy like this, and keep it inside the cover, which is the barcode should be in the front mode, because during the time of delivery boy, will scan the barcode for the given product, and for the given product the invoice should be in the inner side, and whatever the cover has taken for the keeping the material inside, that is 10 by 14, I think. So this is the size for clothing means it can be of frocks, nighties, kurta sets, whatever. The glue will be present inside, and the glue will be there. So defaultly it is a ready-made packing material. Inside you can keep this whatever the clothes that has been ordered, and the glue will be ready-madely displayed on this paper material, cover material. So like this the packaging will be done, and you can see the barcode is in the front mode, and the invoice is in the inner mode. Later ready-madely the entire process, the entire material will be present in the Supermajas. So for barcode scanning, that should be in the front mode. Okay, see, the barcode will be scanned by the delivery boy, and the invoice should be in the inner side. Okay, and how the material packing will be there. For 100 pieces I got 10 by 14 inches, the 10 by 14 inches POD packaging material. 100 pieces will be there, and this is used for clothing purpose. The package material is used for the clothing purpose. This size is used for the clothing purpose. And see, the entire process is after doing the entire process like this, the displays will be done. This will be collected by the delivery boy. This information is useful for every Meesho suppliers and all. All the best.